Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In last tutorial, we learned how to set up JWT token and APIs. In this session, we're going to learn how to create a API collection in Postman. When you develop REST APIs and you need to test the API, that time you are using Postman and you can test. But if you want to share these APIs with any other developers or mobile developers, so you can create collection and share it with other developers. So Postman provide a very good facility to create your APIs collection. So today we are going to learn how to create it. So let's create first collection. You can click here and create a collection. Core UI API. Let's create it, and you can see here you can create a request from here. You just need to right click and click on add request, specify name here, for example login API, save it. Now you need to specify methods and URL here. For example, let's copy it, specify here post and specify name here of field, specify field name here, email gmail.com, and specify password 123456789 and save it. You can call it. So token is ready. So login API add in collection. So when I back and anytime any change need in this API and you need to test, you just need to come here and you can fire it. So all your inputs and your path, everything is available here. Otherwise in history you developing lots of API and it goes bottom away, so you hard to find the API and you need to check everything and you need to enter everything again. So better you create a collection and use it. Also you can share it with any others developer. For example, this API is created, so let's specify token here and try to access this API. You can get categories, so you can save it in your collection. You just need to click on save, specify name here, get all categories and just save it. So this API saved in this collection. Let's create one category so we get in response easily. Also you can save as, so you specify here create category and save it. So now create category APIs request add in this collection. You just need to change the method and specify parameter here. Parameter is a name and value is food, and just save it. So your request is changed. So let's create one category. You can see here category is created. Now I want to get all category, then just you need to go in category API and file, and you can get all categories. Same you can edit other APIs, for example edit categories, delete categories, for detail categories. So let's create one more request and save it. Get single category and save it. Now you just need to specify ID here and save it and fire, and you can see here just one category is there in response. So you can easily create the collection and use it. Also you can export this and click here in export and you can export it. Let's export this core UI Postman collection and let's delete it from here, so you can easily understand it. Now you can import it again. Go here and just type core UI Postman API collection, select and imports, and you can see here again for all APIs available. So you can easily share it with other developers and it's very useful, and it's provide lots of other features. Let's take one example. This is a host you need to specify in every APIs when you create, so you can make it common using environments. So let's take one example. You just remove it here and add host like. So we need to go here first and then we need to add, otherwise it's created new one. So let's specify host and save it. Now you need to specify host here. You just click here and go into edit and go inside variable tabs and you can edit host, specify initial values, specify current values and update it, and you can just save and make a call, and you can see here the response. So you can change everywhere and remove host, save it, save it, and save it. The main benefit is if you share this collection to other developers and other developer have a virtual host and some other name, then he just need to change the host from this variable only. So he change one time and it's reflected in all APIs, so no need to update all APIs for the developer. Same thing you can specify here token and use it in authentications, for example here. So remove it and specify token here, save and specify the token in variable. So let's edit it and specify initial values and specify current values and just update, save and make one call. I think we specify something wrong, we need to check it. It's okay, but we specify wrong variable name here, that's why get error. Let's save it and make call again, and you can see your API is now working fine. And one more thing is you can also create the environment from here. So if you have a local environment, if you have a staging environment, if you have a production environment, and all the environments have a host is different and token is also different, then you can edit, for example, core UI staging. Then you just need to specify host and token, specify values here. Let's edit first. So you can see here core UI staging is available in this list, and if you want to call in this environment, you just need to select the environment and hit the send button and you can get the response. So let's specify right now same environment because I have only local, so I need to add this but we can make another call for login and create new one token and used in that API. So let's specify token, you can edit it, specify tokens and update it. So now core staging is ready for use and you can use it. Let's select category API and make just call, and you can see here you can able to access the API. So it's very useful and you can use it for developing purpose and you can share it. Also you can see here lots of options given here, so you can use it based on your requirement. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please give feedback in comment box, share and like video. Thank you.